Welcome to Regency Glass, where the difference is clear.
In this video, we'll explain to you how we make our Regency Triple, featuring Corning Enlighten Glass. Ultra-thin glass triple-glazed units are manufactured on the new Glaston ULTRA Thin TPS production lines. Unlike other production lines at Regency Glass, this advanced line is fully automated, helping to deliver the precision and efficiency at every stage that our customers rely on.
The ultra-thin glass, TGU, is made up of 3 pieces of glass: 2 outer panes, 1 Corning Enlighten Glass center pane, and 2 TPS spacer bars. Making an ultra-thin glass TGU will begin with the glass being cut to size, and then brought over to the production line in specialist designed compartment carts. Glass will be auto-loaded by our Hegler sort jet onto the line, with the Corning Enlighten Glass going on first, followed by the 2 outer panes. The first stage of the production line is the glass infeed, where each pane is washed and dried. Rotating brushes will clean both sides, followed by air nozzles that will then dry the glass. Each pane of glass will then move along to the inspection area, where glass is inspected for any imperfections, ensuring we maintain the highest quality. After the glass has passed inspection, it will arrive at the TPS station. The Corning Enlighten Glass will not have TPS directly applied to it, and will continue to travel down the line, whilst the 2 outer panes will have TPS spacer bar applied to them using the Glaston TPS applicator. The Corning Enlighten Glass center pane and the first outer pane will enter gas press 1, where the first cavity will be argon gas filled. The 2 pieces of glass, 1 outer pane and the Corning Enlighten Glass, will then be pressed together and leave gas press 1. This is where the innovative technology of the ultra-thin glass TGU production line comes into play. As the glass moves along the line, the system automatically rotates it, positioning the Corning Enlighten Glass correctly for the next stage. All 3 panels of glass will then enter gas press 2 and come together as one ultra-thin glass TGU. Finally, the unit will be sealed by the automated sealing robot, and the ultra-thin glass triple unit will be complete.
And that's how our Regency Triple, featuring Corning Enlighten Glass units, are made, using advanced automation to ensure precision, quality and efficiency at every step. With the Glaston ULTRA Thin TPS line, Regency Glass is proud to lead the way in advanced glazing technology.
For more information on Regency Triple featuring Corning Enlighten Glass, feel free to get in touch with either Regency Glass or your local window supplier.